Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for how to kill a kit with style, December daily style, December documented. So I am going to be using another sketch from Elle's Studio. It's volume 6 and it's on page 40. It's sketch 20. And this sketch actually features two 4x6 photos, but I don't really use two 4x6. I actually have a 4x4 and then a 4x3. So I'm making them a little bit smaller, but the style and the way the sketch looks is exactly the way I have it. So you can do quite a bit of different things with this. So I did split it up and get the two different types of colors and all of that fun stuff on there. And then I pretty much just kind of figure out what I want to do. And this time around, out of all of my collections, I didn't get like the second. I think I ordered this too late after going through everything. So I don't have I have the embellishment kit and I have the main kit, but I don't have the second set of papers that I normally get when I do this, nor did I get the mixed media kit that I can think of. Because normally if it comes with like a stencil or something, it's always all together. So I'm really saving my scraps here, which normally I never really care about. But for this particular one, I kind of have to because I'm so low on paper and stuff. And I've got to get, essentially, this is layout number 2. So I need to do layout number 3 and 4 for sure. I think there's only 4 Fridays or 5. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 5 Fridays, but I need to try to get 3 more layouts done. But I think I only have 2 more layouts to do for this kit. And then the last one is, while it may not be, it's not going to be a layout, I'm going to show you what I have left over and the 4 layouts that I made. So just as a recap, this is going up on the 8th of July. I've done the unboxing on the 1st of July, and then my first layout was the 2nd. This is my the first layout was on the 2nd. This is my second layout, which is on the 8th, and then I've got the 15th and the 22nd, and then the 19th or the 29th, which isn't exactly the last day in July, but it's going to be my last video for this series because I don't have that many photos. Because what I have left is I've got the Christmas tree, which I haven't scrapbooked yet, so that'll either be on the 15th or the 22nd. And then I've got the footprints of my daughter and of Santa Claus that we do as a tradition every year for our December, because then that kind of states that Santa Claus has came and went and all of that fun stuff. So that is what that is all about. And so yeah, so we will, those are the 2 photos that I have left, and pretty much I know for a fact that this layout will be pretty well done, because I won't have much papers left after this because of the photos. So what I'm doing is that they don't have that much embellishment on these sketches, which is fantastic, because for me, that way I can add whatever I feel like it to it, because there isn't that much embellishment. It's more paper based and photo based, which is absolutely perfect for me. So I didn't make the title really long like they did on it. I just did holiday fun, and I stuck to the little embellishment there. I did add, instead of adding a journaling and a tag, I added all those little bits in that one corner, and then I did add some stuff up in the upper corner that isn't on the sketch. So I do stick to this one side. I do leave quite a bit of white space, and then I do come in, if I remember correctly, I do come in with some mixed media at the end. Like I said, I've always, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I am obviously joining back in on How to Kill a Kit with Style. It has been a very long time since I have done this, and grad school is almost done and on the way. I am super close into my student teaching. I will start my student teaching part of my 2-year grad school on in September. So I have math left, which is what I'm doing now, and then I have ELA, which is the reading and writing portion of my education for my master's degree. And then I'll have my student teaching, and then I'll be done in December. But the courses are getting a little bit easier for me because I have been teaching now. This will be I'm going into my 5th year of teaching. So this is like, we've gone through quite a bit now. I mean, I'm halfway to 10 year at this point with the way everything was going in the world. So the classes are getting a little bit easier. They're not as tough, and I can actually, enjoy scrapbooking. So I do all my batching on the weekends, and during the summer I kind of batch in between grad school just because I don't have nothing else better to do. Because I break my stuff down. So half the day I spend getting ready for my next school year. The other half I spend on YouTube, or the other third of it. Then the last third to maybe half of the time will be my grad school stuff, depending. So yep, I do come in. This is the last time I get to use my black paint stick. It is out. It's all over. You can tell it's all over my hands and everything. This one is done. I gotta find my other black one. When we moved, I don't know where it went, so I gotta find it. But here are the still shots. I hope you go check out everybody, like and subscribe to the channel. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.